Did you know that something as simple as an onion can be a blessing for your hair? Yes, that humble kitchen ingredient isn't just for cooking. It can actually do wonders for hair growth and scalp health. Onions are packed with sulfur, which is an essential nutrient that promotes hair strength and growth by helping form keratin, the protein that makes up our hair, nails, and skin. That means onions can be especially helpful if you're dealing with hair fall, thinning hair, or early signs of baldness. Today I'm going to share 4 powerful hair recipes using onion juice. These are simple to make at home and, with regular use, can deliver noticeable results. Let's start with the basics. Onion juice. This is our hero ingredient for all 4 recipes. Start by taking 2 medium-sized onions. Peel off the outer dry layers to get to the fresh, juicy part inside. Then wash the onions well to remove any dirt or residue. After washing, chop the onions into small pieces. That makes them easier to grind. Onion juice offers multiple benefits. It helps prevent premature graying, moisturizes and nourishes dry hair, and can soothe an itchy or flaky scalp thanks to its antibacterial properties. Now grind the chopped onions in a blender until you get a smooth paste. Once you have a fine paste, use a clean muslin cloth or fine strainer to squeeze out the juice. What you get is a nutrient-rich onion juice. This will be the base for all our recipes. First recipe: onion for stopping hair loss. This one helps reduce hair fall and strengthen your roots. To make it, you'll need fenugreek seeds. Take 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, and soak them in water overnight until they soften and begin to release their nutrients. The next day, extract the water from the soaked seeds. This fenugreek water is packed with protein and nicotinic acid, which helps strengthen your hair and prevent breakage. Now add half a cup of fresh onion juice to the fenugreek water and mix thoroughly. Once mixed, pour this blend into a spray bottle for easy application. Spray it onto your scalp and gently massage with your fingertips. This massage helps improve blood circulation and ensures that the nutrients reach deep into the hair follicles. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours. Afterward, rinse your hair with a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. Use this treatment regularly to reduce hair fall and strengthen your roots over time. Second recipe: onion hair growth pack. This nourishing mask is designed to target bald patches and enhance overall hair density. Take the same 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds you soaked overnight and grind them into a fine paste. You should end up with a creamy, smooth consistency. Next, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of onion juice to the fenugreek paste. Mix thoroughly until you get a thick, spreadable texture. This mask is rich in proteins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory agents. Apply the mask directly to your scalp and roots. Let it sit for 1 hour to allow the ingredients to penetrate deeply and stimulate hair follicles. After an hour, wash it off with a mild shampoo. If used once a week, this pack can help minimize baldness and significantly boost hair growth. Third recipe: Onion Extreme Hair Growth Oil. This is a nutrient-dense oil perfect for weekly scalp massages. Start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion oil, either store-bought or homemade. Add 1 tablespoon of castor oil, which is known for its thickening properties. Then break open 2 vitamin E capsules and pour the oil inside into your mixture. Vitamin E helps repair damaged hair follicles and protects against oxidative stress. To blend the oils, warm them using the double boiler method. Place your oil mixture bowl into a larger bowl of hot water and stir gently as it warms. This method ensures even heating and a smooth blend. Apply the warm oil to your scalp and massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. This massage stimulates blood flow to the scalp, promoting hair thickness and encouraging new hair growth. Leave it on for at least 1 hour, or overnight for even better results, before washing it out. Fourth recipe: Onion Aloe Vera Hair Growth Mask. This is a soothing and refreshing mask combining aloe vera and onion juice. Take 2 fresh aloe vera leaves, clean them well, and carefully peel off the skin to extract the gel. Grind the gel into a smooth consistency. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion juice and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix everything thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and consistent. Apply this mix directly to your scalp, gently massaging it in. Leave it on for 1 hour. This mask helps increase hair growth, hydrate the scalp, and fight dandruff. Perfect if you struggle with scalp irritation or dryness. Those were 4 amazing onion-based recipes you can easily prepare and use at home. Use them consistently for a few weeks, and you'll likely notice improvements in hair texture, volume, and strength. Thanks for watching. Take care of your hair, and it will love you back.